Well, from future journalists to future scientists, once a month, students here at John S. Park Elementary School engage in exciting and hands-on science projects. Check it out.
I was thinking we don't need the rubber bands yet.
In Miss Totticini's 4th grade class, students are building something really cool.
Tie them at the top.
Okay.
Make a pyramid.
Okay, what do you guys think about that?
Today we're trying to build a skyscraper, and we need it to stay still to survive a simulation, an earthquake. So basically we're using sticks and rubber bands, and then there's this plate that shakes. So we need to tie the sticks to the rubber bands.
So you guys have to move it 20 times. And if it falls, did you pass? No.
1, 2, 3.
Once a month, John S. Park Elementary celebrates Science Rotation Day.
We feel like a lot of science kind of falls by the wayside. Most schools concentrate on ELA and math, reading, that kind of thing. And science just kind of gets left behind. The fact that we're doing hands-on experiments in elementary school, we're trying to get that love of learning started early so that they continue that throughout their educational career.
It feels like we're above grade level because we're doing complicated projects like this.
Question is, how do you get them to stay on the board, huh?
During these experiments, the students not only get lessons in science,
Yes. And then you could use these.
they also learn valuable life lessons.
Okay, what are some things that you need to remember as a teamwork?
To not build your own.
You're not building your own.
Yeah, let's tie these two together, and then we'll build
Like
up
this?
from there.
Like a
Because
square?
we have
like a square.
like a square. Because
Teamwork,
Hold it.
an important part of these science experiments.
I love science because I get to do the experiments and work together.
Holy moly!
Even the littlest panthers,
Everybody pick up your teddy bear.
like the students in Miss Morales' kindergarten class, get in on the science fun.
All right, let's see. Drop it in your water. It floats. All right, show me what you learned.
It flows.
When you see the light bulbs go off and the kids are like, oh, I get it. It's just amazing. That is what is great about elementary school kids especially. They share that joy on their face.
It's